All right, ladies, here's kind of an update what's going on. I'm supposed to have a race. Today's Friday. I'm supposed to have a race on Sunday, and I don't think I'm gonna make it. I was gonna race my my hybrid, my 2004 Suzuki RMZ chassis with the 2001 Kawasaki KDX motor, but it doesn't look like I'll be able to make it because the bike is torn down. So, I wanted to kind of give a heads up on this tire changer. This is a pretty cheap tire changer. I think I got it from Rocky Mountain. I think it's the Tusk tire changer stand. It was like 35, maybe 40 bucks. But this thing is a game changer, man. I've always changed my tires on a bucket and sitting on the floor and fighting the thing and dreaded it and hated it and just made tire changing a complete nightmare. But with this stand, it's pretty easy now. I love it. It has a little thing you can lock the wheel into place, adjustable height, keeps the tire right at about waist level. I installed this Bridgestone. This is a Battlecross X30. Put this on. Took me about 15 minutes. So loving this tire change. I've already done about 3 tires on here. So I'm loving this tire change. If you happen to get one, it's 40 bucks, well worth the money. Get you off the floor and off of the buckets and stuff. So really liking this tire changer. Here's the bike. Also about this, it was tubeless, so I think I did the tire change total in about 15 minutes. I took my hybrid, not my hybrid, my Trials tire off and put on this Bridgestone Battlecross. So we'll see how that thing runs. But anyway, here's the chassis. I had an issue with the swing arm, so took that out. I'll kind of dive into that a little bit later. Plus, it is at the powder coating place right now, so hopefully I'll get that back soon. She's already had it 5 days. So there was an issue where you would hit the throttle and just coolant would overflow out of the bike, like just gush out of the overflow tube. And I knew it had to be a head gasket issue, so here's the head gasket over here. Sure enough, when I tore it down, it was a bad head gasket. This is the aftermarket head gasket. You can see how it failed right here as it was sitting in the motor, and that was causing water to shoot throughout the motor and actually damaged the piston. See that? Not good. Scarred it up pretty good. So got a new Wisco here. The cylinder is okay, but just kind of a bad deal. So this is an aftermarket gasket. There's the failure. I'm gonna go ahead and go with an OEM gasket. So we'll see how this holds up. OEM gasket right there, as well as the Wisco new piston. So I'll drop that in. I was hoping to have that all done like yesterday and tonight so I can do my race, but it doesn't look like it's gonna happen. Also, here's the RB Design carb. This is that divider plate he puts in there, which really helps the carb a lot. So that's what that looks like. I've already had this Shinko fatty tire, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw this on the bike as well. It's a Shinko fatty front tire. There it is there. Shinko. It's a fat tire, so it's supposed to help with, it's a trails, woods, desert, pretty much all around tire, which is a little bit better than the motocross tire. So we'll get that mounted up as well. Hopefully get this bike back together soon and get this thing running. So overall, really happy with this tire changer. I can't express that enough. I hated doing tire changes, and now it used to take me about 45 minutes to an hour. Now it takes me about 15 minutes. So pretty good stuff. Thank you. So pretty good stuff. All right, ladies, stand by to stand by.